Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a artistic QR code using AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account and then click apps and click AI powered. Here you can scroll down and try to find Hello QR. So next generation of QR codes are here. So you can infuse your QR code with a touch of artistry, the perfect blend of creativity and technology. Let's start and by click use in new design, and here you can paste the URL, for example, and here birthday cake. This is like example, forest overlooking a snow-capped mountain, for example. Here there is a notification. Your URL seems long. A card or two short link will be created upon generation to improve scannability. So here you can try to make it shorter, and here generate. Please wait as we bring your idea to life. And this is the result. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.